here has to tell me. You remember when I took you to the zombie, right? Remember me showing you the horde that lives there?
Yeah, I remember.
The really big horde that lives, sleeps, and eats there.
Yeah, like I said, I remember. Look, Ricky, when I was with the militia, we created a sort of souped-up Molotov.
A souped-up Molotov.
Yeah, it's like napalm. Anyway, trust me, I got this.
We need you deep, alive.
Ricky, just fine. Don't gotta worry about me no more, okay? I know what I'm doing. Ricky,
Yeah.
I'm just lighting some seeds.
Okay.
And in this case, some big goddamn Molotovs, but you get the idea.
Yeah, but I can't use those. There is a certain thing you can do to make this like 10 times easier, but I'm sure my dad won't want me cheaping it out. I'm sure he would want me doing it awesomely. Can't have you loading all those zombies now, can we? No, stop. Up. I know more about what I'm dealing with now, so... Okay, that's a nice big chunk. Well, that was a waste. They came from the other side.
Mom, it's 10:44.
Too many men.
Oh. Oh, I hit that. I might have made a mistake. Nah. Move it, you fatties. Oh my gosh.
Let's go to the shower. I'm gonna take a shower, okay?
Okay. I really need more supplies.
Auntie, if you want to take a shower first, then you can.
Oh no.
Okay.
Yeah, let me go get some more stuff. Hopefully this doesn't reset all the zombies until they all regenerate. No, I really gotta do something.
Please. And I really need
It's just
you to do something.
long time no see.
Please come.
Nolan,
What
stop.
can I do you for?
I need you to put something on the shower.
Okay. Good one. Good choice.
It's too much for me to get it out.
Yeah, good. Yep. Okay. Good one. Good choice. Yep. Let's see.
Okay.
No, Nolan.
Please.
Stop.
We talk.
No.
What's the problem? There's something gross in the shower and I don't want to take it out.
It's just rolling dog hair. Quit.
I want some blood on it.
Alright, then grab a napkin.
I don't want to
Nolan, then don't take a shower. I don't know what to fucking tell you right now.
What? Can't you?
Because you don't want to know. I want you to do more stuff for yourself.
No, no, no. I didn't mean to do that. Go back, go back, go back. Let's loot a little. Hopefully I find enough supplies for some stuff.
More bounties.
Oh, thank gosh. I need kerosene in.
This is what no one needs.
I have no clue.
What? What up? What? Underwear?
I have no clue where it is.
What does he want?
Shampoo and conditioner for his hair.
Oh, his box.
This one?
I don't know, whichever one has 2 green bottles in it. There's 2 little boxes. That's what he wants. Yeah, that's his curly hair.
It's just not in this one.
It's in one of them.
This
I promise
bag is
you.
full of batteries, so it has to be in this one.
Yeah. Just lift my whole back. There we go. Things got put on top of it. Yeah, he's trying to take care of his hair the right way. This time. So that when it grows out, it's nice and curly.
I see what. Also, I need you to put me right here, right there. The corner.
Yeah.
I learned it's the sawmill horde, which is pretty big and difficult horde.
You wanna sing with me?
Yeah, hold on. And Dad keeps begging me to do it because he wants to watch, so I'm gonna see the video. Excuse me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
You know what the sawmill hold is? It's a big ghost on hold, essentially. I used all my bombs on my stuff and I got it down to half health. Dad's gonna love watching this. Awesome. I found some stuff. And out of that, I got any pipe? Nope, got 3 fucking nades, 1 Molotov, and 2 not being Molotov, and 1 distracted. I need scraps for like all my things. Gosh darn, I need scrap for my remote bombs, I need scraps for this. Need scrap for some important things, but I got no scraps. It's sad. Oh well. Oh, and let's save, unlike last time. I went, and I got this farm on, but then I ran into a corner and died, and I didn't save. So all the zombies I killed respawned, and I went back, and it was so sad. I was so upset. I was like, dude, like this is what I did. I was like, dude, you're joking, right? Oh my god. Yeah, it was just so upsetting because I was like I did all that and then I lost it. But this time I'm gonna save. Yeah. Let's throw some frag grenades. Now let's use the knock-in Molotovs for a big radius. Seems like most of the zombies. Yeah, that's some big boy damage there. I used it, did I not? I actually need that. Okay, let's go save my progress, because like I said, don't want to lose it. And I got a pretty big chunk gone, so I'm just gonna go and save, because it'd be pretty sad dying here when I've killed so many. I know it's kind of a waste of time, and I probably won't die, but what if I do? I'm not gonna like ride off on my bike, I'm just gonna go save, because I'm out of grenades, okay? It's a pretty high chance of me dying. I'm gonna ride away. Okay, I'm gonna ride away and go. And this is the last time I'm doing this. Oh, zombies still see me. I guess I have to quick save them. What? What? That's definitely not all the zombies, but... Is this the rest of the zombies? And for the thing, if just in case this is the last zombie, killed with a pocket knife.